To manually enable or disable dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there are some ways that you can do. As the example, we will do so from the quick settings panel and from the setting menu. First, from the quick settings panel, to do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap the dark mode icon to enable or disable dark mode on your phone. Second, from the setting menu, to do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. To disable dark mode, select like thumbnail. While to enable dark mode, select dark thumbnail. When you enable dark mode, your phone will use a dark color scheme, which can help you to reduce eye strain and save battery life. It also can provide you a more comfortable viewing experience in low light environment or in the night. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.